Imagine losing an arm and then growing a brand new one. Sounds like a superhero power, right? But on Earth, one animal can actually do it. A starfish can replace an entire arm. Every second, millions of cells inside your body are dividing. If your skin gets cut, it heals. If you break a bone, it slowly grows back. Even your liver can regrow after losing a large part. So, if your body already knows how to rebuild itself, why does it stop at an entire arm or leg? A starfish can replace an entire arm. Inside its body, something extraordinary happens. Special cells switch back into a flexible state. They receive chemical signals telling them where to grow. It's almost like following a perfect biological blueprint. Now let's compare that with humans. When we get a serious injury, our body's #1 priority isn't rebuilding, it's survival. Our immune system quickly closes the wound. Scar tissue forms. That scar acts like an emergency patch. Our body chooses speed over perfection. What if humans actually had the ability to keep growing tissues endlessly? Until you realize that uncontrolled cell growth is one of the main features of cancer. Researchers are studying animals like starfish, salamanders, and axolotls. They're investigating how cells communicate and how damaged tissues might regenerate. Scientists have already made exciting progress in growing tiny human tissues. So the next time you see a starfish, remember, you're looking at one of nature's greatest regeneration experts. If humans could safely regrow arms and legs one day, would you want that technology? Tell me your answer in the comments. And if you love real science explained like a mystery, subscribe for more amazing facts.